So I've created a quick tutorial video of how to use our improved scheduling system. This system is integrated into our existing ticketing system, so you will create the tickets in the same way you always have, but this will just allow you to schedule a convenient time for you to allow us to fix your problem. So it'll start with once you've created the ticket, we will, if it's something that will require scheduling, if it's not like an instant fix, you will get an email like this once we've sent the scheduling request to you. It should be fairly simple. You'll see this email. You'll click on to choose a time here. Window will pop up in your internet, whatever you use, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and you'll have options for times. It's late in the day, so we only have the 4 p.m. here for today on Ray's calendar, but we can go to a different date. So let's say we want to do it on Thursday morning. So we'll look here and we see that 9 a.m. is available, and that's where I want to do it. I'm going to put my phone number in. You can type it, obviously, and I'm going to confirm it. And it's that easy to schedule the appointment with the service tech that has sent you the request. You will get an email with a calendar reminder. So from here, you can actually add that to your calendar. So you'll have a reminder. So I'm going to accept that appointment, send a response, and I'm going to hold on to this email. So for some reason between now and then, if I need to reschedule or cancel that, if for some reason your problem has resolved itself, you're out, whatever, you can't make it to this appointment, the earlier you can let us know, the better to reschedule. So we can click on reschedule that appointment. And if I click reschedule, I'll get the same options, obviously, because we just looked, but I can select a different day. Let's say now we want to move it to a Friday. We can change it. And then obviously it'll just, you'll continue going down the same path. So it'll recreate this and go from there. Now, if you just want to cancel it, click on the cancel. You've got an option here to change your mind one last time before you cancel your appointment. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this one since I don't actually need any help from Ray tomorrow morning or Thursday morning. So cancel the appointment and you're done. That is the process. Very simple. And we appreciate you guys. And hopefully this will make your experience with our help desk that much better. Thank you.